Welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. Today I'm gonna make a kind of chill video. I want to talk about my life update while doing makeup. So I don't have any script to make this video. I just want to talk in a relaxed way. That's the beautiful thing of YouTube because it's real. So I love YouTube for that reason. Anyway, let's get started. I already put base makeup, foundation, and powder. These three products: L'Oreal Ultra Matte Foundation, Wet and Wild Concealer, and this Revlon Color Stay Powder. Okay, I just don't want to show foundation routine because same. I do the similar things every single day, so it's gonna be boring. I'm gonna use this 3D blush contour. I'm gonna use my Eco Tools brush. Actually, behind this camera there's a big mirror so I can see my face. I finished my contouring by using this, and my life update is that tomorrow is gonna be the last day of my working because the contract will be done and I will move to Toronto in October, so I'm kind of proud of myself. I just love this palette. I use this eyeshadows every single day. It's so much fun. I'm gonna use this lighter color as base. So next month I'm gonna preparing for going to Toronto, housing and job, all the other thing stuff. Yeah, so that's one of the reasons I rarely shop, because I hasn't find a house to live. So, and the weather is gonna be really different, so it's kind of hard to buy clothing. But I really want to make haul and try on video. That's my favorite. So it's kind of sad, but yeah, that's life. And I'm gonna use this tree color, orange but brown. I really love this color. This color is special. Yeah, so my work is done tomorrow, so I'll have more time. I want to use that time positively to make myself better and exploring things I like and preparing for my new chapter of life. I'm gonna use this factory color. I wanna improve my English ability more because that helps me to get a better job. So let's see, because who knows, life is weird and tricky. And I wanna use this color underline too. And I'm gonna draw eyeliner, Maybelline, and I'm gonna use this pencil type of eyeliner for drawing on the eyeliner. Because of the type related video, I guess some viewers, I don't know, people really like my type related video. I didn't expect that. I just want to draw on the line first. I rarely do, but I'm just in the mood. Kind of weird. Yeah, I will read some books related to working holiday and Canada, and I want to sell all my books before I leave. So if you guys want, I want to review all books I have because I like to read books. I know I'm not a perfect person, but who's perfect? I always set a schedule, and if I accomplish 80% of that, I say to myself, you did well. Cause nobody told like that after graduation. That's the real world. I ramble a lot. So my topic was talking about my life update. Yeah, and one of my plans is seeing my friends before I leave Korea. And this week I will see my friend all weekend because I rarely see my friend because we were busy and the schedule didn't work, but finally we made it. And I'm saving on money. This is I really go outside, and making YouTube videos takes a lot of time and work. So, and I'm thinking to do some vlog thing, although my camera is too heavy and my life is not that interesting. But if I have some interesting events, I'm gonna do some vlogs if you guys want, with showing my outfit. I tried some of those kind of videos before, so you can check. I wanna apply blusher. I'm gonna use this one again, this orange kind of blusher. I'm gonna use the big mirror behind of this camera. Yeah, so I'm gonna chill out and taking care of myself mentally and about my body. Blusher done. And I'm gonna draw eyebrow. Because without eyebrow, I feel like I look like an alien by using this. Innisfree. Innisfree is one of my favorite Korean makeup brand. Draw the line. And today I don't want to apply eyebrow mascara. I don't know. I prefer to have dark color eyebrow. I'm gonna apply highlighter. I'm gonna use this dust color for highlighting whole my face. Misha flat brush. And that's whole my life update. Not that interesting, maybe, but that's a big change, you know, living alone in a foreign country. And I've never been there. I lived in the States before. Not lived, I studied for 8 months. So it's gonna be easier for me to adapt because I had some experience. But it's also challenging. But life is challenging. Inner corner. I'm in a mood to use this Kat Von D Bone and Arrow color. This gorgeous pinky brown. It's more brown color. And this color makes my lip look bigger. I have small lips. But I kind of like my lips because my lips look unique. Because I never noticed that because I look my face every single day. And one of my friends told me when I was in high school, your lips look like a heart shape. That sounds interesting. And it's a lip lacquer, so it's a little bit dry. So I use lip gloss to apply it. And I always finish my makeup by using makeup finisher. I almost use it. Thanks for watching this video. I just talk about my life update and you know just how things are going in my life. Yeah, that's all I wanna say and I hope you enjoy this makeup. Anyway, have a beautiful, wonderful, great day and see you in my next video. Bye!